Welcome to PrimeScoreX. In this video, we are focusing on CDL classes A, B, and C. Which license should you choose? The goal is to compare CDL Class A, Class B, and Class C so students can choose the right path for their career goal. This is not about memorizing isolated facts. It is about understanding the professional decision-making behind the CDL written test and using that understanding to answer questions with confidence. The license class determines what type of commercial vehicle a driver may operate. Choosing the wrong class can waste training time, limit job options, or create a mismatch between the student's goal and the vehicle used for testing. The CDL written test usually rewards the safest legal decision, not the fastest or easiest one. When you study this topic, focus on the reason behind each rule. Ask what danger the rule prevents, what professional habit it builds, and how the wrong answer might create a second hazard. First core idea. Class A centers on combination vehicles with heavier trailers. Do not treat this as a definition only. Connect it to a real driving situation. The exam may describe the same idea through a scenario, a warning sign, a vehicle condition, or a choice between two actions that both sound reasonable. Second core idea. Class B centers on large single vehicles and limited towing. In CDL questions, wording matters. The answer may depend on whether the vehicle is loaded or empty, moving or stopped, on a downgrade or level road, in normal weather, or reduced traction. Always read the situation before choosing the rule. Third core idea. Class C covers certain passenger or hazardous material situations not fitting A or B. Strong CDL preparation means connecting cause and effect. A safe driver can explain what happens next if a condition is ignored. That is exactly how many test questions are built. Fourth core idea. The best class is the one aligned with the work the student actually wants. This is where professional judgment matters. The CDL exam is not only checking memory, it is checking whether you can select the action that protects people, equipment, cargo, and your license. Use a repeatable study method. First, start with the vehicle type, not the license name. Second, match the vehicle to weight, trailer, passenger, or hazardous material requirements. This keeps your study organized and prevents the common mistake of jumping straight into practice questions before the concept is clear. Third, consider lifestyle, local, regional, over-the-road, passenger, or specialized freight. Fourth, choose the highest useful credential only when it supports the real goal. The purpose of practice is not only to see whether you were right. The purpose is to understand why the right answer is safe, legal, and professionally defensible. A candidate who wants to drive tractor-trailers across state lines normally needs Class A. A candidate who wants to drive a dump truck or city bus may need Class B. A candidate driving a smaller passenger vehicle or placarded vehicle may need Class C. When a question appears, do not rush to the answer choices. First, identify the condition: vehicle condition, road condition, traffic condition, driver condition, cargo condition, or legal requirement. Then ask which action reduces risk without creating a new problem. That order protects you from attractive but unsafe answers. A common mistake is assuming Class A is always necessary for every commercial job. Another mistake is forgetting that passengers and hazardous materials can trigger CDL requirements. Both mistakes come from studying too loosely. The fix is to slow down during review and force every answer to connect to a clear rule or safety principle. Another trap is choosing based only on advertised pay instead of daily work reality. CDL questions often include small words that change the entire meaning. Watch for first, best, safest, not, except, before, after, loaded, empty, downgrade, and emergency. Before selecting an answer, confirm that you answered the exact question asked. Practice in short, focused sets. After each set, separate wrong answers into categories: content gap, reading error, rule confusion, number error, or judgment error. This turns practice into improvement. Random repetition without correction only repeats the same weakness. You understand this topic when you can explain which class fits a job posting and why. Use this memory cue. Vehicle type first, license class second. Keep it simple. The goal is not to memorize a slogan. The goal is to have a quick mental checklist that helps you recognize what the question is really testing. The final takeaway is simple. Study the concept, identify the condition, choose the safest legal action, and review every miss until the pattern improves. That is how CDL theory becomes exam readiness and professional judgment. Study smarter, score your best.